How to unstake BNB on Binance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can do that. First thing you need to is obviously log into your Binance account and make sure that you have a verified account. Once you've done that, you can head over to the Wallets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen and then go to the Earn tab at the top right besides Funding. And here you should be able to find your BNB. So you could just go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you tap on your BNB balance here, you can have an option to redeem. So what it basically happens is currently you're holding this, meaning that you are staking the BNB on Binance. Now, if you tap on redeem, it's showing you early redemption because redeeming in advance will result in the loss of whole rewards, or you can get the rewards until the subscription term ends. So if you're sure that you want to redeem it early, just tap on OK. And then from here, you'll see your redemption amount on BNB. Tap on confirm and then confirm it again. And now you have successfully confirmed your redemption. So now you've successfully unstaked the BNB on Binance as well. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.